Hello everyone, welcome to Dawa CIT. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Microsoft SQL Server. But before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. So without wasting any time, let's go to the computer screen. So first of all, open any browser. Type here SQL Server download. The first link, as you can see here, www.microsoft.com. Click on that. After clicking, Microsoft official page will open, and close this pop-up window and scroll down. As you can see here, there are two options. One is developer and another one is express. If you want to use free versions, then click on that. Download now. Downloading process is started. Okay, download is completed. Now click on that. After downloaded, go to that location where you save the file. My file is saved here, so double click here and click on yes. So there are three installation type: basic, custom and download media. So you have to click on basic option. After that, click on accept. You don't have to change here anything, let it be by default browse. Okay, now click on install. So you have to wait here a few minutes. So install has completed successfully. After that, click on install SSMS. Scroll down and simply you click on that free download for SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, 19.2 version. Download completed. Click on open file. Okay, now click on install. Yes. Setup completed. Now click on close and close that. Now check the SQL Server is installed or not. Go to start menu and type SQL in search bar. As you can see here, SQL Server Management Studio 19. So now double click on that. So now click on connect. So let's create the table and see whether the table gets created or not. So go to new query and then create database student. Select, execute. Okay, it worked. Okay, it worked properly. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.